Okay, we are ready. Okay, so I want to share a website called Celestio Studio. So this is a website that helping you designing the mobile applications, the websites, dashboards, and the components. I found it very amazing and it's helping me in my daily workflow. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this today is generating a landing page for a website called Wander. I have a prompt already written. I took a help from Claude.ai, or you can use any AI tool that craft you an idea. So I have this website called Wonder, and it's called a travel and tours booking platform that helps you people. Okay, so since this is a landing page, so you need to just select the website here. By the way, I have recorded another video which I have shown you how you can design a amazing website with this Celestio Studio. You can watch it, right? So my prompt is ready, and let's execute it. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Yasir Amin. I'm working actively on this project, and this is helping community and helping me, myself, as well my friends, right, to design amazing websites and amazing, applications, component, and anything. So, okay, so we have written the prompt here, and you're asking me some questions. So definitely, what I'm going to do here is that just skip and generate anyway. Let's see what we got. But if you want to refine your prompt, so you can answer the questions here. It asks three or more questions to you to more, create your idea for the best performance. But I want to go with purely based on the AI, that what it thinks and what it generates. So let's wait for it. In a few seconds, we will have our generation start. Okay, as you can see that it started generated a design. So now we have the nice navigation bar ready. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, so we have a nice hero section as well. We have the client sections. Okay, space and inspire. Okay, so if you can see that few of the images are coming broken. Yes, so what's happening that sometime when you generate your design with the AI, so the images the AI brings the broken image, but we have a solution for that. I'll tell you how you can do it. Right, let it generate completely. By the way, website looks very nice. Let it complete. And if you see that the website is generating in a real-time basis with the skeleton preview that what section is coming after it. Now we are on the footer. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, let's do right. Let's see a preview of it. So we have this nice zero section where you can just simply select where to read gates, right? And scroll down here, that the space that inspire this one. Okay, let's fix the broken images. So how you can fix the broken image using the Celestio.studio is basically, it's very easy. You just need to select your page and go to the edit mode from here, click here and select the images that is broken or you want to change. So once you select the image, it will open the edit panel with AI tab selected. Here you can just simply click generate an image for AI. This is not finding an image on the internet and pressing it. Instead, it is generating an image with AI and it has a context what image it will appear here. Okay, so let's generate image here, here, scroll down, and here as well. Okay, now you see, now we have the images generated by AI here as well. And this is purely generated by AI. This is not from the internet anywhere. Save this image, close this, and preview. Now we have the nice landing page ready. This looks nice and amazing. Okay, And definitely you can add more and multiple pages here by clicking it here. And the most important and most amazing thing here is that you can simply export to Figma, so you can work around it, or you can download the code, or you can publish to web to uh, share the people around you, and it's free to view it. Let me publish it. Let's copy this link and then hit here. I'm just pasting the URL that published by the Celestio Studio, and then you will find the website that we have generated is here as a made with Celestio. You can also see the preview here. You don't need to log into your account to see it. This is like a URL that we share on the Figma, and you are ready to share your design. Okay, thank you. Bye.